Okay, right, boys and girls. Now I'm going to solve the question. I've just discussed the question paper of Vidya Bharati's 10th standard. So, what question available with me? Start from third. Okay, according to question number third. Start that is available with me. Okay, it is possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice the breadth. So let the breadth be x. So that is mango group question, in quadratic equation. And the length is equal to twice x, right? Area they give, so we know area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. So this is 800, length is 2x into x. We get 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. So the question is, it is possible. It is possible in the sense we need to find out b square minus 4ac. Discriminate. So your b is not this, so 0. Minus 4 into a is 2, c is minus 800. So we will get minus into minus plus 4 to the 8, 6400 we will get. So possible. It is possible. Okay, it is possible. So now we should find out the roots also. So let us find out. So x is equal to minus b. B is 0 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 is the value we have. 6400 whole divided by 2 into a. A is what? 2. So x is equal to 80 plus, 6400 is a perfect, so 4. So plus or minus 80 you can write, correct? So you will get 420s. So x is equal to plus or minus 20. Plus 20 and minus 20 is the answer. So let us write out the breadth. Breadth is equal to 20 and length is equal to 40 because it is twice, right? Length is 40. Done. 10 seconds. Question is what? Answer the following. 3 2s are 6 marks. And so each question is 3 mark, I think. The sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So first of all, let the Rahman's age will write. Let Rahman's age is x years. Sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age is 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 3 years ago, reciprocal means we'll write 1 by x minus 3 years ago. And reciprocal 5 years from now means x plus 5. They said it is 1 by 3. And now you just go for the LCM and you can carry on now, right? Correct now. It is not tough now. I feel take out the LCM x minus 3, x plus 5. So here will be x plus 5 and here will be x minus 3, correct? Here x plus 5 and here x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So we will get here, I will just write 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. You will get 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. You can do cross multiplication. You will get 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. So let us transpose it. This will be transposed here. You will get x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. As I brought 6 other side, so plus 2 minus 6, right? So I need minus 21, so 7 3s will be better. Minus 7 is there. So you can write x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equals to 0. You will get x is equal to 1, answer 7, another is minus 3. Right? So present age of Rahman is 7 years. What is the final question they ask? Find the present age is 7 years. Write down 7 years. Okay. So this is done now. Next question. Second question is about motorboat. 3 mark question they gave. 3 mark question it is, motorboat question. Let us see What is that motorboat question says? Okay, second question. So a motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour. Motorboat speed is. So here we write motorboat speed. Motorboat speed is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. I think the speed of stream is not given. I think, yeah, speed of stream we will write x. So that is like let the speed of stream, okay, is equal to x kilometer per hour will take. Then what they give? A motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour in still water. Okay, it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstream. So during upstream time, this is upstream. Let us write upstream part. So for 24 kilometer upstream, right? And this is so here the boat is going upstream. Matlab, the stream will be against the boat. So the boat speed is 18 and minus will be x, correct now? So this is what the upstream. So 1 hour more to go. 1 hour more to go. This is 1 hour more to go here, right? And find then the return downstream to the same spot. So downstream will be what? T is equal to 24 by 18 plus x. Right? This is your first equation you can consider. In this, what you will do? T you write here. So T is equal to 24, 18 minus x minus 1. Okay. So this is your second equation. Yeah, one here I gave, so this will be second. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 24 by 18 minus x minus 1. So what we will do, this question is very important, remember. This I will take here. Okay. And this one I will take here. Prashna set is, it's very simple here. So this one will come here. This is 1, okay. So this 1 is equal to, so 1 is equal to like this I will write, okay, 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x. So is equal to 1 is this. This I will erase it. Okay. This is equal to 1. Okay. Take LCM. What is LCM? LCM will get 18 minus x and here 18 plus x. Here a plus b, a minus b formula will apply. Here 18 plus x multiplied. Here 18 minus x multiplied. So 18 plus x minus, okay, sorry, 24 I need to multiply now. So 24 minus 24 of 18 minus x, right, is equal to 1. Okay, now multiplication, do it, multiplication. So 24 into 18 will get 432, 24x minus 24 into 18 as usual 432 same, minus into minus plus, this is 24x. So we need a plus b, a minus b, so 18, what will get? 18 into 18. 18 into 18 how much? 324. A plus b minus b, so 324 minus x square is equal to 1. This will be cross multiplied, right? So here 432 432 is clearly getting cancelled. First we will cancel this. So 24 plus 24 will get 48x. Will get is equal to 324 minus x square. Very good. So this part we will take here. So we'll get x square plus 48x minus 324 equals to 0. Oh, now factorization. Factorization is, I think we can do it. 324. Or else we apply quadratic formula. 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s. Oh my god, all three. Let us try to get a 48. Whether I did any mistake. Okay, so 4 times 3, 48 we need. 27 3s are 81. So 3 3s are 9 to the 18 to the 36. 36. plus 9, 45 now. So 3 3 is 9, 18, 30. 3 3 is 9, 27. 27. So think about what table. So think what table can come. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Okay, and 27 to the 54. 54 minus 6. What will get 54 minus 6? So here we write 324. 54 minus 6. So here x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 equals to 0. X of 54 minus 6, x plus 54 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. So the speed of stream is what? The speed of stream is 6 km per hour, right? What was the next question? What was the next one? Let's see next one. The next question is about next page. It is the next page. Let's see the next main question. They gave sum of areas of squares. Okay. Sum of areas of two square is 468. Sum of areas of two square. Area of two square. So areas of, for example, this is one a square and this is another square. This side is x and this side is y. Then we can write x square plus y square is equal to 468. So this is what some of the areas. Area of square will be side square, side square. So I took x square plus y square. The difference of the perimeter. So 4x minus 4y. Difference of the perimeter is 24 meter. So perimeter difference they give 24. So I can take 4 common, x minus y is equal to 6 because 4 6 are divide will come. Okay. So now I can write here x is equal to 6 plus y. So this x substitute I will do here. So 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Okay. Now what you will do, apply a plus b whole square and simplify it. So a square means 36, 2ab means 12y plus y square is equal to 468. Now this is 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0, as this will come here. So 2y square plus 12y minus 30 means 432, 432, 438, yeah, 432 I think. 8 minus 6, 2, 6 minus 3, 3, yeah, as 432. So clearly we can divide by 2 here, visible, 2 is common. Y square plus 6y minus 2, 2 are 2, 1 are 2, 6 are. Then just factorize it, yeah, factorize it, you will get y values. What is the fact? 216. Let us take the factor. 2 1s are 0, 8s are 2, 5s are 4s are. Then 2 2s are 7s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are and 3 1s are. Let us try to take a 6. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12, 12 to the 24, 24 minus 6 will not come. So 8, 8 is a 24, 24 minus 9. No. So what will come back? This is a 9, 9 to the 27, no. This is a 9 to the 18, 18, yeah. 3 3 is a 9, 9 to the 18. Possibilities are there. 3 to the 6 or 12, yeah, obviously. So minus 2, 16 can be written as 3 to the 9, 18, 18, 3 to the 6, 3 to 12, 12, yeah. And this is minus. So y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 equals to 0. Y common, y plus 18 minus 12, y plus 18 is equal. Y is equal to, we will get 12, correct? Why you get means x is in your hand only, na? X is in your hand because we know x is equal to 6 plus y. So x is equal to 18 will get because 12 plus 6 finish. So this is what that is. It question was, it was not tough, right? It was not tough. Manageable question it was. Now they said find the root of the quadratic equation. They gave you a second question is x square minus x by 5 plus 1 by 100 is equal to 0 itself. So but I will just simplify by taking the 100 is the LCM. So here 1, right? So here I will multiply with 100, here with 20 and here with 1. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equals to 0. So if you cross multiply, you know what you're going to get. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Does it find the root of the QE? Anyhow, you can find out the root 100. I can take here 100 is 100. They did not mention by using this particular method, right? So I will just take 10 times 100. They did not mention particularly use the formula method or anything, so I am using the factorization, right? So 100x square minus 10x plus 1. So 10x common will get 10x minus 1 minus, nothing is common, I feel here. So minus will take and 10x minus 1, right? So answer will get x is equal to 1 by 10, and here also x is equal to 1 by 10. You will get equal roots. So they said find the root of the QE means equal roots. So simple for 4 mark. If any other doubt is there, let me know. Message the question. I will just forward all the things. Okay. We will upload it. If any doubt is there, just message us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kindly, you can write your queries in the comment section. Thank you so much, boys and girls. Thank you.